Loctite 3090. This is a very versatile product. It's a product we're primarily using in the development of our cars in the off-season with prototype building, bodywork componentry, and it's a very fast and easy product to use.
Loctite 3090 in motorsport, very commonly used because it's very quick curing and motorsport everything is quick. Patrick, let us know where you use it.
Yeah, I can show you a few examples where we use this product of Loctite. For example, here these small cable tie brackets is one example, and if we have to repair something quite quickly, or a small bracket or something, we use that as well.